Welcome, Northeast Missouri. Late Monday afternoon, the 17th of April. These cattle just got moved into a paddock. They're just about as content as they can be. Their heads are down. They're listening to my voice, I guess. John Wood reporting from U.S. Wellness Meats. Doesn't get any better than this. This is a mix of Triticale, Hairy Vetch. There's some shepherd's purse, which is an annual plant that comes up very high in oil in the leaves if they'll eat it. But anyway, these guys couldn't be any happier. They are enjoying spring conditions, and grass quality like this is just perfect. Weather conditions are perfect, 65, 68 degrees. Nice cool nights, no heat stroke, no insects to worry with. It's just perfect grazing conditions. Over and out from Northeast Missouri. Thank you for listening. John Wood.